In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Now I do want to mention that they send this box to me every month, and I'm so grateful because this is something that has enriched my life. It gives me something to do, something to explore. It's just been really therapeutic and spiritually enhancing, and I'm very, very grateful. So I do want to mention a few things before we get into it. Is Goddess Provisions is about $33 a month, but if you get like a 6-month or a 12-month plan, it is a little bit discounted. Every month you get 5 to 7 full-size products. Now, if you guys have been watching my unboxings, you know that you get, okay, so it's $33 a month, right? So, but it's like $80 to $100 worth of items, and sometimes, if you guys have been watching my previous videos, it exceeds like $200, sometimes even above that. Now, everything in the box ranges from snacks to jewelry to spiritual tools to books, spiritual downloads, oils, crystals. I mean, it's really, really fun. For every box that they sell, they plant a tree. So I think that that's actually really special too. Also, it's free shipping in the United States, but they do offer shipping worldwide, which is also a really good thing. But let's get into the unboxing. So this month's box is actually pretty big. Usually it is half of this size, so when they do send a bigger box, it's kind of exciting. Let's see what's going on in this box. So as soon as you open it, when they have something like that is covered, you know that it's something special and something big. So I'm kind of nervous and excited. Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull is the crystal. Actually, you guys know that the first thing I always pull out is the card at the bottom, because it lets you know everything that's in the box, how much it is, what company it's from, and also if the company is offering discount codes. So, and also like the theme of the box. So this theme is I honor the sacred. And you guys know I always keep the front because I put it on my fridge or in my journal. But let's get into everything that's in the box. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is a bloodstone. Okay, I have, I think, 1 or 2 bloodstones, but I do want to get more. I want to actually get into working with bloodstone crystal chips, like the little pieces in candles and stuff, or oils. And I think this was confirmation. My hair is all over it. I think this was confirmation for me to go ahead and do that, because I don't know. Bloodstone for me is such a weird crystal. Like, I feel like sometimes I'm into it, sometimes I'm not. Sometimes it's too strong for me, and sometimes I'm in such a shadow, dark, moment that bloodstone just attracts me. So I'm very excited to get to know this. One way that I like to get to know crystals is, first of all, I'm going to sage this down, of course. And then I like to sleep with it either on my nightstand or underneath my pillow to see how it communicates with my subconscious mind at night. So a little tip, if you guys are okay with that, that's a way that you could work with your crystals. And that's kind of the way that I'm going to be working with the bloodstone, to see how I can work with it in the future. My energy specifically, and the energy of this, how it will align. Like, the energy of this crystal will align very differently with you than it will with me, and we need to get to know that. So I'm excited. This bloodstone tumbled crystal has a $4 value, which is actually not bad. That's usually the price you would find it at. The next thing that I see here is a spray. There's no name or brand or anything on the spray, but it smells like Palo Santo. Woodsy. Okay, so this is sage and rosemary. So it wasn't Palo Santo, but sage and rosemary. So very similar. I think if you mixed sage and rosemary, it'd smell very similar to Palo Santo, or is that just me? But I love this. Oh my God, you guys. Oh yes, I love this. This is nice. I would pay $33 just for this. Okay, so this has a retail value of $18, and they also give you a 25% off on their shop. And the company is Species by the Thousands Clearing Mist. So sage and rosemary is very good, because sage, when you clear or smudge with sage, you have to make sure to invite another energy in, because sage sometimes opens portals, and sage is very strong in clearing everything out, that you need to invite the energy of something back in before like something else consumes the energy that you don't want. So like this would be perfect, you know, sage and then rosemary. Rosemary is very nurturing and protective, but in a gentle way, and it invites harmony and peace as well. So this is really, really good. The next thing I pulled out made me realize why I was smelling Palo Santo, because on the box it says handmade Palo Santo from Honchaco, Peru, if I said that right. Let's see. It's a little box with incense in it. I'm really excited because I've never seen Palo Santo incense like this. So let's see what it looks like. So as soon as you open it, it comes in this like little package. You have to rip the sticker off, if you can see. Do you see that? It's four Palo Santo incense sticks. So I can just light this. Oh! It's very fragile. Oh, if you guys get this, be careful because they break so easily. So I'm not gonna mess with that. Smells amazing. It's very fragile and sacred. So we're just gonna be gentle with that. I don't want to break that, but let's see how much that was. So the incense, it says hand-pressed Palo Santo incense. Yeah, you can tell because it's so fragile. I think I might have been too rough with it. This comes to you from indigenous Peruvian harvesters. So the energy in there is so special and so sweet. Allow the smoke to carry away negative energies and welcome in peace and harmony for your meditations. You can feel that. So this is a $7 value, but they also give you 15% off at their website. Okay, the next thing that I see here, it says Amethyst Illuminated Crystal String Lights. Okay, so when they give lights, I get really excited because I use all of them. They gave me like a moon thing. It's amethyst lights. Okay, you guys, I was gonna actually order this from Shein. I saw this on Shein. Do you guys see this? So do you guys see this? So it's amethyst lights, and the remote is right there in my hand. How cute is that? And it's actual amethyst crystals. So when the light turns on, the amethyst crystals are going to warm up, of course, with the electricity, and just infuse whatever environment it's in with amethyst. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Alrighty, way worth the $33, yes. I'm not sure how much they are on Amazon, but these are $22 value, and I think it's so well worth it because they're raw amethyst chunks, and you can really, really feel they're genuine amethyst. Okay. I'm getting really, really sweaty. It's so hot here. I have the lights on and everything, so if I look sweaty, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna open the last thing that was in the box. Now this is it's pretty sealed to be inside the box, to be inside an already sealed box and then like sealed like that. I'm curious what this is. Let's see. So when you take it out, it says Goddess Provisions. It's a really nice box. Oh my god, you guys, look what it is. It's a singing bowl. That is so funny, you guys. I just played with my singing bowl this morning, and I was like, maybe I should get another one, like for a different room. I also did an OnlyFans video showing you how to use a singing bowl to cleanse your sacral chakra. But they give you a stand. Oh my god, how cute is this? And there's the moon phases in there. I love that. Okay. They give you the wooden... I can do it right now, but... And they also give you the cushion and the cushion says harmonize with the moon. Do you guys see that? How cute. Okay, so the singing bowl it's a $33 value. Yeah, I had a feeling that's the entire value of the box. And you get lights, you get crystals, like so many other things you got with it. A mist, so well worth it for your money, you guys. And also, you don't just get all that, but you also get a guide to building sacred spaces, a 22 value, which is like a digital course or digital download. I always like to do those when I'm bored or have some free time or just need some mental stimulation or just some kind of something different spiritually. You know, there's always something new to learn in those digital downloads, and I really, really like them and I really appreciate them. This was well worth the $33 this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this month's box, let me know down below. Tag me on Instagram. Let me know, like, show me the pictures of what you got, how you used them, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.